Hello viewers, welcome to Ekam Academy. Today we'll discuss about an interesting topic in terms of economy and environment, that is green GDP. So which state in India became the first state to implement this policy of green GDP? So let us understand in this particular video. So first let us understand which state has implemented this provision where it has linked forest ecosystem with its GDP. So it is Chhattisgarh, right? So Chhattisgarh became the very first state in India. So what they have done? So they have linked ecosystem and environmental services in calculation of GDP. So GDP reflects the total value of goods and services produced in that particular territory, right? So in this particular context, when we are calculating GDP, we cannot discard the services offered by the ecosystem or environment, because key services like the minerals or natural resources like land, water, forest, everything is giving some way or another to the economy or its GDP. So how to link these two and how to calculate the services offered by these services to the GDP will be considered as part of this particular initiative. So first let us understand. So what is this particular concept of green GDP? So in green GDP, when we calculate gross domestic product, traditional GDP, in that we'll add the economic dimension and environmental dimension also. That means what is the environmental contribution to GDP? So how ecosystem services are augmenting the GDP of that particular area or the territory will be considered as green GDP. So first if you see the origin, so it had its origins in 1992. So in this particular 1992 year, we had a research article published in the name of International National Accounting of Environmental and Ecosystem Services. So in this particular services, we have first time introduced the concept of calculating green GDP. So this has developed under a framework called SEEA. SEEA means System for Environmental and Economic Accounting. So under this particular framework, so first time green GDP was developed and implemented in 1992. Then let us understand how do they calculate this green GDP. So once if we totally calculate traditional GDP, from this GDP, what is the harm that is being done to the environment when we are going for this economic development, that will be deducted. So that means from GDP, if you deduct the harm or the loss that is done to the environment in the process of generating some GDP, so we will be deducting that particular thing, then we call that as green GDP, right? So calculation of green GDP. Then let us understand what are the parameters that will be used to assess this particular GDP. So they have to be based on biodiversity services. So we know biodiversity will play an important role of maintaining ecological balance in that particular ecosystem. So what type of services and what type of benefits that biodiversity is offering in terms of GDP, that will be assessed. Then in terms of climate regulation, so we know as climate change is happening more and more, so how forests are able to sink that carbon and how they are regulating the climate that is generally about to change. So that is also taken into account. Then carbon sequestration. So with respect to carbon sequestration, we know forests are excellent carbon sinks. So whatever the carbon emissions that are getting released anthropogenically, those are being captured by the forest. So they're saving us from more and more greenhouse gas emission. So that is also taken into account. Then water resource management. So how much is the water resource that is being contributed by the ecosystem and biodiversity, that will also be taken into account. And then we have soil management. So soil management means, so we know soil plays an important role in productivity. At the same time, it also helps in maintaining sustainability of land. So in that particular context also, this will be taken into account. Then finally, tourism or other economic support. So we know ecotourism and these type of things are also contributing directly or indirectly to the GDP of the country. So if these things are assessed, then if we contribute and calculate the contributions of ecosystem and environment to the GDP, we call it as green GDP. Now Chhattisgarh became the very first state to link forest-based ecosystem services in calculation of its green GDP. So remember this. Let us see the practice question. Which of the following countries is the first one to adopt green GDP as part of its national accounting measure? So which country became the first country to implement this concept? So we have options India, China, USA and Germany. So if you know the right one, let me know in the comment section. Then today we have discussed about an interesting topic called green GDP. Which state in India became the first state to implement this concept of green GDP, along with how it will be calculated, what are the parameters on which it can be assessed. So this is all with respect to today's video. If you like the video if you like the video, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for joining. All the very best.